Your clients are on YouTube and you're not. If you're a money expert and you've been thinking about starting a YouTube channel, now is the time. YouTube just announced that their monetization rules are changing. They go into effect February 1st, 2027. Currently, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to be YouTube. Currently, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to be fully monetized on YouTube, but that's about to change. You're gonna need 8,000 watch hours in order to be fully monetized. A company called Precisify recently put out a report. To summarize it, the report is saying that people are going to YouTube specifically to get information about financial services and products so that they can make decisions for their households. They're actually comparing options on YouTube based on what creators say. So here's an excerpt from the report I want you to really pay attention to. That trust and creator influence are translating into consideration and action among main household earners. 72% have used YouTube to compare financial products or services. So if you're a money expert, whether you have your life and health insurance license, you're a Medicare agent, you're a financial advisor, you're a tax professional, anything to do with money, I encourage you to begin posting videos on YouTube specifically to educate the people, and your audience will find you. Don't focus on selling anything. Just teach. Teach the people what you're good at. When I got started in this industry, I was extremely excited. I got my life and health insurance license, and I was ready to conquer the world. I am a financial educator, so I lead with education first. And of course, I reached out to my family and friends, my warm market, people that knew me already, that had a relationship with me, and I did well. I was able to make good money within my first 3 months. And then the well went a little dry. So in this industry, I know a lot of times you get started, you're excited, and you go out and you buy leads and you do cold calling. And trust me when I tell you, I tried it all. Running Facebook ads, and honestly, I didn't make any money from it. Why? Because the people didn't know me, and I really didn't want to be on the phone making hundreds of calls just to help a few clients. So I knew that path was not going to work for me, and I decided that I was going to spend time growing my YouTube channel to build a community that when they saw my videos, they knew that I was here to educate them and help them make right financial decisions. So this is one way that I've started to attract clients. And another way I do it is by going out and actually teaching classes in the community. So I started this YouTube channel in October of 2025. I had another one in the past, but I was like, you know what? I want to start fresh, and I want to just talk about finances and really attract clients that way. And of course, educate people along the way. Who knew that within 5 months, my channel would be monetized? I started creating videos about the best age to claim Social Security benefits, and I had no idea that so many people had questions about this topic. That one video alone has over 70,000 views, and I've made a couple $100s off that video. I realized that this is a business. And the same way businesses invest money into ads and marketing and advertising, I need to invest time and money as well into making sure that I'm attracting clients to grow my business and help as many people as I can. What I love about attracting clients on YouTube is that first, they watch a video, and then they gain value from what you taught or what you shared. Now, the next step is they may watch another video, or they might just start to reach out to you directly. But once they've done that, they've already gotten a chance to hear your voice, to see your personality, to understand your values and the things that are important to you. It's all conveyed through a video, through the energy that you put forth. And so by the time they speak with you, whether it be on the phone or a video, there's this connection that's built already, and it's so much easier to be able to help a person like that implement financial solutions that are good for them versus randomly calling someone and having no initial connection with them. So I absolutely love this as a way to be able to attract clients. So far, I've been able to help a client with my YouTube channel. She reached out to me initially because she had a question about Social Security. And as I got to know her and her financial situation better, I realized that she was very attracted to the safe money solutions that I offer my clients. And so I was able to help her protect a retirement account that she inherited from her husband, who unfortunately passed away. And she is set for life. She's going to get guaranteed income for the rest of her life. And it was so encouraging to be able to help her, just kind of know that she's going to be taken care of. So if you're brand new to the financial services industry, you're going to quickly realize that building momentum and building consistent income is going to take time. So how cool will it be for you to be able to, yes, make money from helping clients, but also get paid to teach what you are an expert in on YouTube, and then have those videos pay you every single time someone watches it. That's what I love. It's like having digital real estate. You've created a video, you've posted it, it provides value to people, and YouTube will send that video out to the exact person who needs to hear it, and then you get paid for it. Over and over again. The videos sometimes I go on YouTube and search and I see videos from 9 years ago. So that is a wonderful opportunity for you to be able to have multiple streams of income. So now I'm going to give you some ideas of some things that you can post if you want to take this serious and get your YouTube channel started and get monetized before these new rules come into effect. Okay. So what I recommend you do is just do a welcome video. Explain to people about your background, why you decided to get on YouTube to be able to teach your expertise around money. Then what you can begin doing is helping people to understand different concepts in your industry. Also, you can talk about some misconceptions. One of the challenges that people face when they go online to find information to make financial decisions is that people have opinions, and sometimes people will skew the information to fit their own biases. And so you want to be able to speak the truth from an unbiased standpoint and really be that trusted resource for people that they can come to. Another thing I love to do is to make videos about resources and to do tutorials to help people to understand, like my Social Security video that just blew up on my channel. I actually talk to people about what they need to apply for their Social Security benefits. And another video that's doing really well on my channel is one where I walk people through what happens after they submit their Social Security application, and what they're going to experience, whether it be what emails they're going to get, and all the way up until when they get their first payment. I'm Lameka, and I create videos about faith and finance. If you found this information helpful, share it with another money expert that you know who is sleeping on YouTube. Because the ones who start now are going to be way ahead when everyone else finally wakes up.